Today in Cook the Book, I'm going to be making for you a beautiful potato and leek soup. Now, a potato and leek soup is a very, very tasty soup because the potato gives it that lovely potato flavor. And of course, with leek, you get those really fine notes. And so this soup is something that I make once in a while. What really, tips this into that really yummy zone is when you use a homemade stock. So most of the time when I make this soup, I use a chicken stock instead of a vegetable stock. So I think that's the secret sauce to this soup. So I'm going to start with olive oil, 3 tablespoons, big blob of butter. Take it off the fire and add my butter. Now the reason I do this is because you don't want your butter to get burned. To this we add garlic. To this I'm adding some onion. Okay, now that the onions are very well cooked, I'm going to be adding the leek. Now I'm going to cook this down. I love it when it starts changing color. Salt, a little pepper. Okay, the leek looks nice and cooked. It's now time for me to add the potato. This is becoming really lovely and the potato has gotten nice and soft. So now it is time for us to add our stock. So today I'm adding chicken stock. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil. So this is ready. I'm going to shut this. As usual, it's not getting shut. Now I'm going to shut this. 2 CTs, 20 minutes, and then our soup will be ready. So here it is. It's nice and ready. Now at this point of time, you can decide whether you want to make this a little more liquid or you want to keep it thick. That completely depends upon you. At this point of time, you can also add a little cream if you want or add a little butter. That's totally up to you. But this is ready to eat. So I did not add any butter to it. I've not added any cream to it. And it's just absolutely yummy. And good for your tummy. Very